Putting a hitch on your Ford Taurus can take you to some really cool places like biking, camping, or towing a small U-Haul trailer. Let's break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. First, we're going to lower the exhaust. Before lowering the exhaust, we're going to support it with the strap. This is held up by 3 rubber hangers here, here, and here. I'm going to remove the hangers using soapy water and exhaust pliers. Next, we're going to be removing the exhaust hanger bracket on the driver's side using a 10mm socket. Next, we're going to be removing the exhaust hanger bracket on the passenger side of the vehicle using an 18mm socket. On the passenger side, the hitch is going to connect here and here. Now we're going to take the provided carriage bolt and plate and fish wire it through our frame. On the driver's side, we are going to fish wire 2 carriage bolts here and here. Using the trim panel tool, we will be removing the 2 bumper beam tabs here and here. Next, we will enlarge the inner hole on both bumper beam brackets. Now we're going to put the hitch in place using a U-Haul hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, you'll need an extra set of hands. The hitch can be heavy. Now we're going to take our fish wire and run it through the hitch. On the driver's side, we're going to install the 2 flange nuts. And we'll do the exact same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to take our bolt and put it into our existing weld nut on the passenger side of the vehicle. Next, we're going to take our handle nut, placing it on top of our bumper beam tab, aligning it with the holes. Now we're going to take our provided bolt and screw it into the handle nut. And we'll repeat on the other side. We're going to torque down the frame bolts using a 19mm socket. Now we're going to torque down the bumper beam bolts using a 16mm socket. Now I'm going to mount the bumper beam tabs to the pre-drilled hole on the bottom of the hitch. Now we will repeat on the other side. Now I'm ready to raise the exhaust. I'm starting with the passenger side. And last, the center hanger. Now that the hitch is complete, let's show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the bumper is 6.5 inches. From the ground to the inside top of the receiver is 12 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for bike racks and cargo carriers. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the outdoors, have fun and be safe. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.